How to get your e-token for Zenith Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get your e-token from Zenith Bank. For this, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Zenith Bank e-token app. Zenith eToken app is a mobile application that generates one-time passwords used in the authentication of electronic transaction. A one-time password (OTP) is a series of characters that automatically authenticates the user for a single transaction or session. It is also an alternative to hardware token. Now you want to tap on the install button and have this application installed on your device. After you have installed this, tap on the open option. Now this is going to be the interface of the app. Go ahead and tap on the continue option. Now it's going to ask you if you are registering as an individual or a corporate user. Select your preferred option. Now, if you have selected to register as an individual, then you will have three options here: hardware token, debit card, and quick access. If you tap on the hardware token option, you will have to enter your account number, then enter your 4-digit service PIN and your hardware token code, then tap on the continue option. If you are using your debit card, tap on the debit card option. Here you will have to enter your account number, debit card last 6-digit number, then your debit card PIN and tap on the continue option. Now, to generate activation code required to access the eToken app, you will have to visit the bank branch or fill the token registration form and forward to the bank for processing. You can head over to the official website of Zenith Bank to download the eToken registration form. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.